Hi, I'm PJ with Pennevale Docks. A 20-minute inspection can save you $10,000 to $30,000 in repairs. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to inspect a fixed dock, the same checklist we use ourselves. You want to do this in spring, midsummer, fall, and after any major storm. Let's get into it. First, structure and frame. You want to stand at one end and sight down the length of the dock. You're looking for any shifting or misalignment. Does the size of the docks run straight or does something look off? Walk to the end of the dock. Next, check your pilings or supports. Grab one and give it a push. Grab another and give it a push. A solid piling won't move. If you feel give, sway, or hear cracking or creaking, that's movement you shouldn't ignore. And it doesn't hurt to do that to every piling on your dock. And then finally, walk each section and check that it's level and stable. No dipping, no rocking. Look closely for cracks, warping, or anything that looks under stress. Bowing boards, splitting at joints. Next is hardware. Every bolt, nut, and fastener loosens over time with wave action and temperature swings. Go through and tighten anything loose. And while you're at it, check for rust or corrosion on metal brackets and fasteners. A little surface rust is normal. You're near water. Heavy flaking rust or corrosion eating into the metal means that part needs replacing. Inspect every bracket and hinge for wear. These take repeated stress and are often the first thing to fail. Now the decking. Walk the full surface and look for loose or damaged boards. Anything that shifts under your foot. If you've got a wood dock, check for soft spots or rot. Press your heel into the board. Also check for cracking or warping along the edges to make sure the whole walking surface is clean. No trip hazards. If your dock has anchor lines, chains, or cables holding it in place, inspect those next. Check the tension. It shouldn't be hanging slack, and it shouldn't be pulled so tight it's under constant strain. Look for fraying, rust, or wear on the line itself, and check for any signs the dock has shifted or dragged from its original position. A stable dock holds its position even when wind and waves are working against it. Now for the high stress points. These fail before anything else because they take the most repeated load. Start with your cleats and tie-off points. Give them a tug. Check for cracking around the base or any movement in the mounting. Then lastly, check any ladders or accessories attached to the dock or still securely mounted. Tighten them with your wrench if anything's coming loose on them. Now there's a few things that mean stop. Don't wait for your next scheduled inspection. Is the dock sitting noticeably lower than it used to? Are sections separating or pulling apart? Do you feel significant movement under normal use? Do you see any visible structural cracks or failure? If you spot any of these, it's time for a closer evaluation. Don't keep using it as is. After storms. After any major storm, do a quick recheck. Look for debris, impact damage, anything that's shifted or repositioned. Even if you don't see any floating debris near your dock, you never know what could have hit it, then got blown away. Look for new cracks or stress points and recheck your anchors and connections specifically. Storms put the most load on those. So I'm curious, what is the oldest part of your dock? The pilings, decking, gangway, hardware? Let me know in the comments below and we'll share the first thing we'd inspect. And don't forget, you can get a free download of the dock inspection checklist at our website. If you learn anything new, if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in space below.